Good morning, everybody. Today I thought we check out the family farm. It's right outside Växjö in Småland, Sweden. The farm was built in the 1760s. It's still in the same family today. It also held soldiers for the army until 1901. There was 4 small cottages out on the farmland which the soldiers lived in. But more about those in a separate video, or at least one of them that's most interesting to show you and talk about. Hang on and check out the farm. It's a bit windy today, but I hope it won't be too disturbing. This is the original house that was built in the 1760s. Actually, the family lived in it until 1966, when this house was built. You can see that grey house over there. Actually, it was built in the same time as this one, and looked the same, and sat right here. But in 1914, the family decided to move it over there. I don't know why actually, but it's still in our family, and so. Let's go check out the back of the house. Right there is the old earth cellar. I'm not gonna go in there, but it still sits. Looks pretty nice from the outside at least. Let's have a quick view inside the old house. It's a bit of a mess, but at least I'll give you a quick view of how it looked back then. So nowadays it's mostly a storage unit for old junk. You can tell it's an old house because the ceiling is really low and I can barely be standing right up here. That's where they got their drinking water back before this house was built. Right there is that earth cellar again. You get a better view of it from here. Right there is the old storage unit which we still use. Comes in quite handy actually. Anyone that's up for a bath. We have some firewood, which is nice now in the winter. When it's cold outside, it's quite cozy to light up a fire. As you can see, the farm is right next to a lake. Down right there is where we have our boat in the winter, in the summer I mean. Right there is where we have our boat in the summer. And also have some furniture and can have a barbecue right next to the lake. Really nice actually. Now, let's get over there and check out that ruin. You can see as you can see, it was a really small house, but it was basically just one small kitchen and a small bedroom. The way this worked was that in the countryside, when the younger generation took over the farm, the older generation moved out to this small house. So it worked as you can say as a retirement system. There was also some land where they could grow some vegetables or whatever they liked. The system changed. So I think it is in the 1930s, this house was no longer needed. So it was torn down, which I think is sad. It would be nice to have it still as a part of the farm's history. But at least we have this ruin to tell us where it's at. We had some really nice view of the lake as well when the older generation came up here to live in this house. Let's go and check out the barn. Right there is where they had chicken back in the days. Nowadays we just stack our firewood here before we put it into the storage unit. Let's have a quick view inside. Not much to see in there, but maybe I'll give you a quick view. Some more old junk. The light is really bad in here, but I hope you can see it anyway. Right in there is where they kept the animals when the barn was used. I'm not gonna go in there today, but anyway. Let's get out again. That was it for this tour. I will be back with a shorter movie about one of the small cottages. It would be really interesting, I think. Bye!